Hello everybody, Dr. E-Blox here with the E-Blox project of the day. That's right, today we are going to build an alarm clock. Ooh, how cool is that? But first, just a reminder to please stay at home as much as possible. We're making these videos for teachers, homeschoolers, and parents so they can teach the fundamentals of STEM and STEAM through E-Blox while safely from the home. Now, if you have E-Blox, please join us in the building and learning fun. If you're looking to get E-Blox, there are multiple ways you can do it. One, you can visit our website at www.myeblox.com. That's www.myeblox.com. Or contact your local toy store. Either call them, email them, or look on their website for our products. You can buy directly from the stores, and we'll ship it directly to your house so you never need to leave the home. Now this week we're also highlighting our retailers of the month, okay, the ones that have been the most successful in selling E-Blox. And I'm proud to say that this week it's Educational Innovations, okay? They can be reached at www.teachersresource.com, okay? So that's a great place to find E-Blox, and we hope that other retailers continue to list our products there and continue to sell during this time. All right, so let's get to the project of the day. We're going to build an alarm clock, and one of the key components in our alarm clock is going to be this device here. It's number 68 if you have a Circuit Blox 800 or 395 set. It's a photoresistor. Now, we talked about resistors a few weeks back, okay? They are able to limit the current in a circuit, okay? Low resistance means it doesn't limit it that much and current can flow. But high resistance limits it a lot more, and then less current flows. Well, a photoresistor is a resistor, but the resistance is dependent on the amount of light that comes in. Okay, when a lot of light comes in, then there's not much resistance and it lets current flow. But when it's dark, okay, then it has very high resistance and it doesn't let current flow. Let's see how this works in a circuit. Okay, I'm going to use this photoresistor to, again, drive a transistor, okay, which acts like a switch, so it's going to go into the base. We're going to put this heart in here so that the current can flow from the collector to the emitter through the heart when some current goes in the base. Finish the circuit there, and oh, there you go. You see, we're in a bright room, and the light that's going into the photoresistor is putting some current into the base of the transistor, and that's allowing the current to flow and light up the heart. Now, if I take this and I cover this, okay, now you can see there's very little current going into the base, and so that turns off the heart, okay? So the amount of resistance depends on the amount of light that goes into the photoresistor, okay? Now, let's keep this on here, but let's replace this heart, okay, with an alarm module, okay? Now, basically, when it's dark out and I'm sleeping through the night, it's nice and quiet. But now, as the sun comes up, it goes off. There's our alarm clock. It's dark, it stays off, the light comes in, and the alarm goes off. That's pretty cool, huh? What are some applications? I mean, an alarm clock is obviously one application. Where else do we need things that are like photo sensors like this? Hey, did you ever notice how the street lights outside, they come on when it gets dark out and then they go off in the morning when the sun comes up? That uses a photo resistor. It detects the light, and when it sees a lot of light, it triggers a circuit to turn off the street lights, but then when it gets dark, it turns them on. It's another application. Hey, you ever see those movies where like a thief is trying to get into a bank and there are these laser beams going across that's like a security system? Well, the light in the beam there is going into a photo sensor, like a photoresistor, and if that beam ever gets blocked, then the photoresistor doesn't see the light, it triggers a circuit to set off all the alarms. Hey, that's a couple cool applications of this. Hey, you know why I know that alarm clocks are always in a bad mood in the morning? Because they always go off on me. Okay, well, that was pretty fun today. But you're not going to want to miss Friday. I'm going to use my alarm clock to make sure that I get up in time. But we're going to build a nerve tester and see how good my nerves are, okay? Until then, stay safe, but continue learning with E-Blox.